Hello students. So I wanted to talk about arts students willing to join in IT career. So yes, definitely arts students also can take IT as in a career path because there are a lot of openings and opportunities are available in the IT industry. So they are in need of people. So if you are interested, you can learn cloud technology, any programming like Python or any other ticketing tool like ServiceNow, Jira, like a project management. So you have so much of opportunity to explore the IT industry, but only thing is like you have to choose which is like your cup of tea, which is like your own interest. So many people don't like to do coding, so they can go for like office administrative or service desk or even hardware, like taking the parts of computer and all that. Like, so only thing is like you have to get yourself trained in any one particular tool or technology, then you can just select those kind of job in the LinkedIn profile and then you can apply. Say for example, if you are an art person, you will not be exposed to lot of computer related subjects. So what you can do is like on your free time you can just start studying about what is the basics of computer and what is a C++. Like if you are interested in coding something like that, you can start with C programming or C++ or Java, like that. So basic beginners has to know at least about what is a computer basics, because your subjects will not have the basics of computer or electronics. But if you still interested in your free time, you have to look into that and then you have to start exploring about what is the technology available in the market and all that. Like even if you can be a web developer or an app developer, if you are really having your own interest, so make use of all the opportunity which is like having a free courses available in Udemy, LinkedIn. Lot of companies are providing a free courses, even YouTube you can learn. And there is a lot of online portal to learn about IT. So you need a particular one technology to apply in the job market. LinkedIn you can apply, Indeed and Naukri, Monster. So you have lot of openings for IT industry. All you need is like you have to work on yourself to read and then understand thorough knowledge of any one technology and basics. Definitely you can also get into the IT field. All you need is like one certification in any technology, and you have to thorough with the questions. Like if they are asking about any scenario based, you should be knowing. So you can download, there is a free versions to just like work on it, so you can just make use of it and then you can apply into the portal. If you attend 2-3 interviews, you will definitely know what is the way of questions they are asking for, so you will get trained and get experienced. So make use of all the portal, like I have mentioned in my description for the learning tools. So you can choose any one particular technology in those learning career websites. So you can just from there you can take it out there. See you on the next video.